You've built an amazing PowerPoint slide deck to present your message, and now it's time to share it with the world. But you might be worried about making a good impression. You need to be sure that your slides look their very best on any display. In this screencast, I'll answer the question, what are the right dimensions for your PowerPoint PPT slides? Building amazing PowerPoint decks starts with a premium PPT template, and the best place to find these is Envato Elements. Elements is a creative powerhouse with a winning offer, unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many PowerPoint templates as you want. They're designed by creative experts with you in mind. Plus, Elements include stock photos, music, fonts, and more. All of these assets work great to enhance your PowerPoint slides. For this tutorial, I'll be using the professional PowerPoint template from Envato Elements. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint here. As you can see, it's a beautiful and versatile template that you can use for any subject. It's important to understand your PowerPoint dimension options. There are two basic layouts used in most presentations. The first is standard, which is a 4:3 aspect ratio. These are more square. Increasingly popular is the widescreen PowerPoint size, a 16:9 aspect ratio. This is more rectangular, with more room to share content on your slides. This PowerPoint template that we're using here defaults to the 16:9 layout. You may be wondering how to decide which PowerPoint dimension option to use. The trick is to think about where your presentation will be viewed. Most laptops have a 16:9 aspect ratio, so for viewing slides on them, the widescreen option is best. The same goes for large screen displays found in many meeting rooms. These are basically widescreen TVs, so again, wider slides look better. Many projectors still use the more square 4:3 ratio. They may not work well with widescreen slides, so choose a 4:3 ratio if you're planning on connecting to a projector. The goal is for your slides to look their best wherever they're being viewed. Once you've made your size selection, it's time to apply it to your slides. A good rule here is to change slide size before you start adding in content. Depending on layouts and templates, some objects may move around the slides when you scale them up or down. Changing the PowerPoint size ahead of time saves you the work of rearranging content on dozens of slides. For example, let's change this template to a standard 4:3 PowerPoint dimension. To do that, I'll find the Design tab here on the ribbon. Clicking on it, you'll see an array of options on screen. The control center for PowerPoint size is on the right side of the Design tab. It's this Slide Size button with the drop-down arrow just beside it. Clicking on Slide Size, you'll see the current setting highlighted in orange here. You'll also notice the Custom Slide Size option at the bottom. This is where you'd click if you wanted to use a non-standard layout. The drop-down options give you many options for how you can set totally custom sizes. To change the size of your slides, click on the unselected size option. In this case, that's standard. PowerPoint will display a pop-up menu as you can see here. It's asking whether you want to scale content down since you're changing it to a smaller size. This is normally a good idea, and it keeps the look and feel of slides consistent even as you change the size. Click Scale, and PowerPoint will automatically update every slide in the deck. Again, you may have to spend a little time rearranging content. Here again lies the value of premium templates. You're not building slides from scratch. Instead, you're just filling in pre-built layouts. These are beautifully designed and save you precious time. One last piece of advice. Always check your slides before you present. Connect to the display or projector that you're going to use and do a quick dry run. This way, you can correct any issues before sharing with an audience. This is a great way to avoid the embarrassment that comes when slides don't look right on screen. Simply plug in and then come up here to the Slideshow tab on the ribbon. Click Play from Start and navigate through your slides. This way, you'll always make a winning impression when you present. As you can see, it's easy to change PowerPoint size and dimensions. Consider where and how you'll be presenting. Projectors often use standard 4:3 sizes, while displays and laptops are often the 16:9 widescreen style. Then, apply your preferred size on the Slide Size menu, found on the Design tab. It only takes a few clicks. You'll be wowing your audience with perfectly sized slides in no time. Before you go, don't forget to like this video. Then, be sure to subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find content roundups, helpful tutorials, and so much more. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.